we know how the oil ataupun gas being produced from the well, and then this well need to be further processed before it is being used ataupun transfer into the customer. Okay, so means in order for us to export ataupun bagi our oil and gas to our customer, there is a few step ataupun processing lah that we need to do. Because kalau macam because if you want to sell our product to our customer, so we have a few steps need to be met. Okay, so in order to meet the spec tu, we have to further process lah the oil ataupun gas yang keluar daripada well tu. So the process tu basically happen in CPP. So this is the list of the process system that we have in a typical CPP lah. So kalau tengok sample process flow diagram ni kan, so kalau kita tengok tadi, ni daripada well akan go to the manifold and then go to the header. So daripada header tadi actually dia akan go into two tau. One is test separator, and one is production test header, and then one is production header. So by default it will go to production header. Test header ni is just like monthly ataupun monthly activity je, whereby one well will be diverted from production header into the test separator for us to conduct well test. So if there is no need to conduct the well test, so all the well will be flow through production header lah, which is the line will be. So when the well go into the header, and then it will go into production separator. So sorry, diagram ni pun ada slide sikit lah, tapi tak apalah. We assume that this is our production separator. So it will separate into three phases, which is oil, water, and also gas. So from here, the oil will be further treated and further separated before it is okay. So oil further separated and further treated before it is being exported to the customer via a crude oil pump. So before we go to customer, we will have metering, where I will further explain on the metering. So this is the flow for oil before from the well into the customer, and then that's about oil. And then next about another liquid phase, which is the water. So from the separator, the water will be further separated, because this water we will try to dump to overboard tau. We will discharge it to overboard. So in order for us to discharge overboard, there is a DOE requirement that we need because if we don't meet the DOE requirement, then the operator ataupun the operator lah will be sued ataupun juga sue lah. Dia akan being punished lah by the host authority, because they contribute into environment punya misconduct. So before we dump the water to the sea, so we need to ensure that the dump water also meet the DOE requirement. Okay, so that's how the water being processed or treated. And then we also have gas. So for gas, so the gas also will be further compressed or treated. So here tak ada how the gas being compressed and treated, because here is just showing that the gas will be flat off. So flat ni means we don't need the gas. So if we don't need the gas, we need to flare it lah. Okay.